taken part in a computer programming project using Scratch.
And 4 teams from St. George's School were finalists in the Scratch Challenge, organized by M Schools.
It was a fantastic experience!
Computational thinking involves problem-solving skills, design and systematic programming through technology.
But it is also very good fun! We have learned that computer programming also involves science, technology, engineering and mathematics.
So when we are coding in Scratch, we need to think like a computer scientist.
We have worked in groups with robots we have created ourselves.
In robotics, the results of our work are shown really quickly.
Due to this, we can check our progress constantly.
When we experiment, we learn that making mistakes is part of our journey.
In robotics, there is never one unique solution. This lets us put our creativity in action. Thanks to this, we can find new innovative solutions beyond our first attempt.
We are very happy because this year we have won the Robocat, even though our rivals were really strong.
And we will remember it forever.
In robotics, students develop important skills that are essential for the future.